What's up everyone? Corey Parks back again to talk about how much does a crawlspace drainage system cost. This is just a common question that we get asked through various different ways. We wanted to shoot a video to try to help customers like you who may be searching for this information find out what a drainage system costs and what all goes into it. First, I want to talk about some of the factors that drive the cost of a crawlspace drainage system. Number one is the height of the crawlspace. Obviously, if we're working in a crawlspace that's only 16 inches, it's going to take us a lot longer to dig that drainage system than it would if we were working in a crawl space that was 3.5 feet. So height is one of them. The other thing is the size of the crawl space. How much linear footage does it take to get around the full perimeter of your foundation wall? The bigger the crawl space, the more money it's going to cost because of the increased amount of linear footage that we have. The next thing is does the whole crawl space need a full drainage system? There are a select few situations where we only may need to go down 1 or 2 walls. If that's the case, the less linear footage, obviously the cheaper that it's going to be. What about the terrain of your crawl space? Does it go uphill in multiple different areas? Our sump pumps have to go at the lowest point because water drains downhill. So do we have to put 2-3 sump pumps into your crawl space? Now, that's not common. It's actually very uncommon to see a crawl space that needs more than 1 sump pump. Although we have ran across that situation, it doesn't happen often. What about the grading within your crawl space? Most of the time, we can work around the grading relatively simple and the grading doesn't affect price, but there have been a select few situations where the grading could have an effect on the cost. We all know that water cannot run uphill. Lastly, do you want a battery backup? If you want a battery backup, that's going to add cost as well. So we've talked about cost and the factors that go towards that cost, but what are the costs? The average 1,500 square foot home to get a crawl space drainage system installed is going to be somewhere between $5,200 and $5,500. That's just on average. Now, if you want to add a battery backup to that, which some of our customers love the peace of mind of knowing that that sump pump is going to work, the battery backup is going to cost roughly $1,200. So there you have it. There's your rough estimate ballpark for the cost of a crawl space drainage system. Have any questions, want to see more videos like this, please reach out to us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, see more videos like this. Have a great day.